Adolfo Yamama Kwaba about Lens Block Media. We did in Nana Kuntiu Asari. We are into a journey of analyzing speeches, adverts, and movies. And this analysis goes with rhetorical devices. We need the first series you analyzing a lot of speeches and your president speeches in Kwa. This can be freelance speeches will be said one man here say or say come wasem. A bit me so a religious speech. The text contains a lot of information say analyze here we are not only dealing with only political speeches. And this platform is not a political platform. It's an entertainment, it's an information and educational platform. Share. Now, your speech in focus. Nana Addankwa Akufo-Addo. The first speech or the man updating Ghanaians on COVID-19. Him say COVID-19. About the talk of town. Maybe about COVID-19. About COVID-19, almost 99% of the world was shut down. And you may be uncle, so be uncle. Among for them to say in previous and they can't go out. Lockdown, a lot of common terms. Social distancing, about common terms. Now we can't even greet. We can't even come closer. Your very existence as human beings has and is being shattered by COVID-19, the novel coronavirus. When a president it's not no yeah not being said, Pepenso Edino, I was on a Ghana for a drink como. Edifa Kwaya or minor BCB I prepare a share COVID-19 because at that time now Oma sa speech no. Etifo na yen sheda enya confirmed cases. Although na enya suspected 56 cases there, but na enya confirmed. Inti mood no na ensheda enya mood DJ there, but at least na enya bi no edru ba bia na yebeka say na eyara. Nipa a okasa wa hayi president. Aristotle can be to say obi betimi agiwadia na agi say wa persuade no and wa convince no ama no agi wasem no adi. So the good man speaking is the man who is always able to use every way possible necessary to convince you or to persuade you. Then obetimi aye amotimi persuade you. Aristotle extra your mommy and son. I want a rhetorical triangle. First one will come be a friend of ethos. Ethos will profumi beka say ethics, credibility. Osanka bibi edifa pathos. Pathos emotions. Said the nipa no be se be dey ho ahyew problem mu ana say obeka bibi ama aka wakoma. Oka bibi edifa logos. Logos logic. Argument now we no. Is it logical? Say your mommy in some way and Aristotle say speaker bia and as obi o pese o kire amansan bibi ma omugidi no ebetimi use e won speech mo. Aso say ye hwe speaker na na Addankwa e ba as the first update na say your mommy ebi omu ana. Ma ye hwe speech no na ye say ebetimi esani ahoma no ni akyekire mo ahwe si benya saa nyoma mi ensa me bodi bi omu ni ahwe kwan a president no e fa so e use no. Now every moment historic bia no speech e batam. They say we yourself and no the world has been shaped by speeches. We have some of the greatest speeches onya tipe utimi hu say no emri we time we ade we ni see e masa speech we buy. We can talk of Abraham Lincoln, the Gettysburg speech. You betimi aka obi say Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela, Barack Obama, John F Kennedy, Churchill Winston, Omunina, HCP, their entire world with just what? Speeches. Omukika wears a boom, Emma Mom for a GTA. First, my nation baby president no AUSU ethos.
Fellow Ghanaians, good evening. 5 days ago, on 6th March, at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium in Kumasi, on the occasion of our nation's 63rd Independence Anniversary celebration, I gave an update on the measures put in by government in response to the novel coronavirus disease.
Or done the credibility, Eddie. Nipana or Kasanobiya because he's the president. We couldn't have gotten a better person to give us update about COVID-19 than the president. In other countries, President Nidi Grampo and Kasada. So say the beya or minor akuma beto mo said the almost titino at the saying no, the president must come out and speak. And because president is credible in this state, no, or my Ghana na ex nasi, ekenya no watch 8 p.m. and son of president Ekasa. Senka yadi and komunji president no nanu GSM and answer the speech in India. And Bedida. But because the president is credible here and his credibility is at stake, or minding in a etna se Kenya and my time no sooner and muti as my president a day about to have him and suni. So we share president no speech ne drew baby. Now bisase 7 previous information and nam social media so ever outlets sources are ever no and yenina and a credible. So to have or question the sources of information about COVID-19 and no crap. So we share COVID-19 a lot of mediums and a lot of information at the aba. Womikrano matu ebidinsa infodemics. I said say information atrocity social media, internet so now so no crap kitu ebi. And ona sabe madam for journalist be ebeka say ya twegu information superhighway about another term Mamonsre. So the president was here questioning the credibility of information air koso COVID-19 mrewe nti omayeti ase say ebeje information e dia I was say free and approved source aye Ministry of Health asye e kire say Magraheb any Biscout money GH page mo more information, but do you trust them? Are they credible? That is a question of credibility. Our president, no, this speech.
The information to be put out, however, must be that approved by health authorities and not just from any piece of literature found on the internet, as false materials are already being spread.
President also used Aristotle, the proof by what your friend pathos. Pathos, my name can't a emotional appeal. Speaker no e de be ma se be previous and omo a oni omo edi nkomo no ama watwe omo aben omo so be use pathos a oma o problem e the problem wani je e na ni je wo kasa wo ka no wote wase o de sebe nakoma ene ni bibia edi asem na wo ka no achi di ma nti so be hu se kasa wo we eduru ba bia obitimi ka e meto akoma so e ma wo kasa asema wa kan die. You see, emotionally, what did you do? Then president no ekanya a chair say when you sue Aristotle proof a friend a year pathos. Okay, so president no kasano which yes uncle video in here.
Several countries in Europe, like Italy, where we have quite a large population of Ghanaians, have as a result of the surge in infections escalated dramatically their response to
President Nuk Ekan Bibi Edifa the way countries like Italy Ghanaians and I say Ghana for bebre ewo na omo cases no akosro omo ye Ghanaian resident omo wo Italy but President no refer to omo issue no in an emotional way say the beya e be hu say be previous and nyasem timu abutumekeka na woka but the see baby yen call for den ewo ho Emotionally, or Mayati say there are people in Italy who are suffering because of an escalation in infections. Mo kai say, me ankasa minia ba kwa e friend no Magraham. Eduru ba bi kura say bi MPA born na no hye dem.
There you.
Because of lockdown. Italy issue no e kosra me duru ba bi krampo ne you say Italy fo nyina ewu. Te duru ba bi na say abrante Magraham e ba bontin e be ye video pe say be ne ani age because ne hu say ne ho ye. E duru ba bi one me ankaso ni papa ko so aya me follow no kakra e kila ke e be ye concussion bi e ma ne be ye nwonwon ma say be me ti UAE ni ko ye bi nka sebi man kan tirima nka menum nyina ya tutu sa ade na omo ye no mi rupe no munim adekure wu kila ke ene Magraham sa concussion na mo de eye lime lemon ene pineapple eye ye no mo hwe ni ye mo ye kunipa kamo ye kumi ankasa
Videos what you say. I think some couple of while ago na Killer K sending me video bia or the recipe of how ubetimi a cure ya dey way. Enye corona me so pa wa. You know the aspect of it, but it's somewhat related to kind of saying corona symptoms. We don't know, but I'm hoping say corona. Definitely any corona, but Killer K I know but I think say very good information. I think say we have to watch and practice. So the video this Sunday and we know what you can on.
I was talking to most of you this morning, and you were asking a lot of questions about this coronavirus and some of the stuff that you can.
It's the president in this case, person said, on no any Ghana for to Italy, I share what is happening there. Say that's the same thing and a better emotionally we're connected to Ghanaians, and Ghanaians with the president also connecting to the people of Italy, where Ghana for be free. Ntihami could see say president no use an emotional appeal. The test will be a day in a bay, and must have been previous. If you are that, Meminda, Kosiada, Yankoi President, and COVID-19 so. Say, Kebeya, and Kessa, a quina, your faso, a shia. And I dear Bakwamagana for shia pa, a hunia pa, a yo. But President didn't Kaka Kebeya, Kasanya Mawina, Nunka Yen change your lifestyle, Nanka Yen the Yen Jai. And no person connected emotionally to a Santifonti, or can be said, or say a year may be o was Santimemuno, or Mudi, Sa social distancing no eso.
I was encouraged to note that the two well-attended funerals I participated in over the weekend in Ashanti, people were observing the injunction against shaking hands. All of us need to adjust.
President no in a very clever way, a person connected emotionally with the people who were bereaved. Name still or enforcing that kind of rule. He said social distancing must be observed. So emotionally, you could see say the president is connecting to some people elsewhere who for once and kasenga ye chia na ye hagi nanka ye de hubom nanka ye sadwa sekete eni nanso because of COVID-19. Sanyo mani nyina no ayeden eso eye aba ewie. Now the toso bi ensan president no AUC ya Aristotle eka ho asem logos. Logical argument.
18,000 people across the world resulted in the deaths of some 4,000 persons and is wreaking havoc on the global economy. WHO has now characterized it as a pandemic.
If said WHO about the say coronavirus no and I say COVID-19 a pandemic, who is the president to say otherwise?
Fellow Ghanaians, as you may have heard in the news, Burkina Faso, our northern neighbor, has confirmed her first 2 cases of coronavirus infections. Togo to our east has 1 confirmed case, and Côte d'Ivoire to our west also has 1 confirmed case.
Proofs are actually say asam na okano or more specifics. Odinka sha se ka se se ebehwa mrena na all mass speech no. Enipa be say 118,000 and na enya coronavirus ni bi. Enipa be 4,000 and na ewu because of coronavirus. Won yeni ayen kase yempotemu ye neighbors e de say Togo no onya 1 case. Cote d'Ivoire no onya 1 case. Burkina Faso no onya 2 cases. It's now person what say he is giving numbers. He is being specific on what he's saying to tell us I don't know any fluke no crap. So President no here is trying to use what we call the logical appeal, which is logos, to tell Ghanaians that Charlie asem na America no enye se bia media grow because we enya bi o kan nyina bono tofa krampa wi asafa na nyina no nipa dodo enya bi nikura no enya agro o wieye no sande tato se esan se ne hu ninti esan se coronavirus no ababe ya dia ehu edi ewi asafa na nyina enya na nya Ghana nko na enya na nya Africa nko na enya no ewi asi nka bom ko ehwe ya apomudin ani ya hu ni nieso no eye WHO declare no pandemic betwa so kra no yehwe bibi wa ha sei midinka ka say history is shaped by words, history is shaped by speeches and no correct. And then ebe say yen culture ya mamre a ye wom ewo oman mu ba ko edi mu pa ye na hu hia eye nchia se wo hia obi de say magra have no way nchia na obeka say adan wadamfo ene kwaku anan ana se wo hia eye obi nim na way nchia na obeka say adan kan de Japan asoma wo ana se wo hia na na agrada na se wo nchia obeka say adan obi nim asoma so meka na se mo ana so nchia de e ade a in the context of yen communal living no ehia ye e wo Ghana mamrebu. But COVID-19 among the president His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo making changes to yen cultural settings.
We have to revisit our custom of shaking hands and stop doing so completely.
So for the first time in my existence, this is the first time a president changing yen cultural foundation, shaking yen cultural settings no through coronavirus. President for some time say yare we there will be a time can say na breso no coronavirus ema oputu a stop to adia Ghana for a year more hoto. One, public gatherings, they say weddings no ni adie, they say yen konko GNI ewo pub ewo baby Ghana for paper. Two, handshake, which to me one of your core values. I say sebi previous upenipa onya antiso. 3, hugging. Ebede krampo na ono ere. Ono mame, ono o Martin afie. No obe pie up akwa bontin beba no. Untimi ene no enye den. Enye atu. Atu ye efe. Enu tina ye mi ankasa mi nua pani ba ko Abeku Santana. E dia ye program atu. It is welcoming. You understand? You feel good. You feel welcome in a society whereby togetherness and a year juma. So historically, your cultural settings has been tempered through coronavirus, and President use that speech way making sure say
stopping shaking hands and avoiding unnecessary close body contact.
You feel welcome in a society whereby togetherness and a year juma. So historically, your cultural settings has been tempered through coronavirus, and President use that speech way making sure say finally, President use was speech so we used to be say I, which is a personal pronoun, a trade no bebre. I political speech sometimes a chair power that is to me. A chair authority. A side chair and Yonkofa, Nipana or Casano, and ni manfa or tea or mutie no ewo. But in this speech, a purely political speech. Because it is the president that is speaking. Into all you see, I. So, okay, President means you, I. More than 10 times, I was speech now or my. Most of them were showing authority. So, or can be said. Oyusu I edijina o say wama public officials nyina say momo bia entu kwan eye enhye and use the word I
have, as of yesterday, ordered the suspension of all international travels by public officials, except for critical assignments, which will have to be authorized by the Chief of Staff at the Office of the President. All public officials are to remain within the jurisdiction until further notice.
You share video now. We who say Oyusu a lot of I, but the important power and a nature we. Edu baby or say amaya omanya COVID-19 issues ni bi no so mo ba ye increasing protocols of lifebuba e have Oyusu I.
I've also instructed further enhancements of the protocols for inbound traffic from already affected countries. Fellow Ghanaians, all of us should, as much as possible, desist from all foreign travel.
E have Oyusu I. This is using the personal pronoun I was our speech we no denote the president no ne power as somebody who is at the apex of power obi a ogina ye nyina ye ntumi no eso edikasa then obenwie kwakra no Oyusu words dia esan eye symbolical ewo political speech baako eye we baako eye our baako eye us. We are and us ejina ho ema togetherness collectively.
We're grateful to the World Health Organization, WHO, the World Bank, the International Monetary Fund, and Friends of Ghana for the assistance they have so far provided and for the pledges made in support of our fight. We shall continue to work with them to defeat the spread of the virus.
President no actually on several occasions say ohia Ghana fo nyina moa to fight this pandemic. And nothing to do baby a ontimi nka I biem but el say oka ye nyina ye bom to use the word we, us and our. Say the beya obehu say although he's the president but a back of COVID-19 Ghana fo nyina na enya Ghana fo nyina na o say kan bom na yeden na yeko. Nti na o kan say se ye nyina ogidi se ye nyina ye ka bom eye baako na ye fight against COVID-19 we are ye be successful. O kan biem say ye nyina e wo say ye ne WHO, World Bank, IMF and the Friends of Ghana e ka bom na ye fight this pandemic.
I'm confident that together with all hands on deck we'll be successful in weathering this storm. May God bless us all and our homeland Ghana and make her great and strong. I thank you for your...
Etiefo, ahana yede analysis about the president first update ABC. So who subscribe here, subscribe. Nema adomane nkasa se de beya say Lens Block Media any analysis bia ebrewa ubenya first hand na wafolo ye. Obetimi agya eye o comment in so comment section ni mu na wa kire wadwen ama next time I dey analysis beba no we can shape it because ye educate ye ho e na ye entertain ye ho ma mincha eye Biscuit Media na mincha eye Magraheb me ma message me send you eye email se me ka se me free asinfo so nti na wan fi mi a enya hwe e bia na wadwen yo se bia me ne ono aboka na Japan ye free e no kre madam for pa no but it has nothing to do with friendship now me say me ne wo efa no. Until then, one of kind, adios.